Ni hao from Wes.
And Amy's Kitchen. Today we're making cream cheese. Why make your own cream cheese?
Well, for us at the moment, it's a supply problem. We just simply cannot get our hands on cream cheese for whatever reason, so we needed a substitute.
And it's easy. Only yogurt and salt and some thyme.
At the end of the video, we'll show you 2 easy spreads that you can make with this cream cheese too, so stick around for that. We started with a yogurt that we actually like to eat, one that's not too loaded with sugar.
Greek yogurt, if you can get it, it's a good place to start.
So we used cheesecloth laid out in a colander, and what was that? How many layers?
8 layers.
So first you empty the yogurt into that colander, gather up the cheesecloth and tie it up.
We tied it to a chopsticks and hang it in a pincher and put it in our fridge for 24 hours. So here, after 1 day, you can see the liquid that came out. I actually squeeze it so more liquid can come out.
You can already see the texture is quite different than it was just a day ago. It's already much more solid.
You can add a little bit salt here if you want, but you don't need too much.
So how do you know how much to put? When did you stop?
Just trust your gut.
Okay. Now it's off into a ramekin lined with cheesecloth once again.
Plastic wrap over the top.
And a circle of cardboard cut to fit right inside the ramekin. That'll support the weight of what we're using to compress it into shape.
We waited another 2 days, maybe even 3 days after sorting and shaping our cream cheese. Somehow I really want to say sour cream.
Cream cheese, sour cream. Sour cream video may be coming later. And if you take a look, it looks pretty good. It's pretty much done. We ended up using it just like we would ordinary cream cheese.
Yes, it is good on bagels, just as it is.
Amy made some everything bagels a while ago because that's another thing we just can't get too easily here. So we have a little short video about that in the corner if you're interested in seeing how she made that.
There's even more you can do with this cream cheese.
If you want, you can add some mix-ins to make it either sweet or savory.
Here, Wes is chopping cranberries and walnuts and adding a little bit brown sugar, some homemade vanilla extra from a friend.
Yeah, that was really good. I think he worked about 2 years soaking the beans to make this vanilla. It's really, really good.
Add a little bit cinnamon and honey, and here's a sweet spread.
So you can make another version, a savory one. So I threw in some olives, olive oil, and a salt mix called Ono Hawaiian Salt. I think it's just garlic and Hawaiian salt, but it's really worth getting if you're passing through Hawaii.
It's really simple to make and really worth the wait.
So if you can't get your hands on the real stuff for whatever reason, no problem. If you need other substitutions in the future, subscribe below. We'll be posting substitutions and recipes about every week or so. Until then,
thanks for watching. See you next time.